how to get the seamless co-op mod for Elden Ring. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can get the seamless co-op mod for Elden Ring. So to get started, if you want to enjoy Elden Ring with your friends without all the usual multiplayer limitations like fog walls, disconnections, or invasion interruptions, the seamless co-op mod is exactly what you need. This incredible mod lets you and your friends explore the entire game world together from beginning to end, with full progress syncing, free exploration, and zero interruptions. To get started, head over to Nexus Mods. You'll find the link in the description. Once you're on the site, search for Seamless Co-op Elden Ring in the search bar. Before you can download anything, you'll need to create a free Nexus Mods account. Just click on the register button at the top of the page, fill out the required details, and verify your account. Once logged in, go to the mods page and look for the manual download button. Click it to start downloading the files. After the download is complete, extract all the contents of the mod into your Elden Ring game directory, which is typically located inside your Steam library under Steam Apps Common Elden Ring Game. Make sure to open and read the README file included with the mod. It contains specific instructions on how to install and launch everything correctly. To play the game with the mod, you'll need to use the new file provided called Launch Elden Ring Seamless Copy XE. This bypasses the usual launcher and enables the modded co-op mode. Each player in your group must install the exact same version of the mod to avoid compatibility issues. Once everyone's set up, you can create a session password, share it with your friends, and jump into the game together with full co-op freedom. Lastly, always make sure to run the game offline while using mods like this to avoid triggering Elden Ring's anti-cheat system. With everything in place, you're now ready to dive into the lands between with your squad seamlessly. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.